Today I voice Animator versus Animation 3. Okay. Google. Papa Becker. Give me it. Ow! Oh! Click the stick figure right. Although it's been kept hidden for years, one of the elements remains underground. Stick figures. Certain animators decide to. No, my freedom! No! They create. Acceptable. It is unacceptable that certain sticks are not created. No! On sticks, release me! Today's society is too busy to sing Mimi. Yum!
What up?
Take this! Oh no!
It looks like you're trying to kill a stick figure. But should I help? Sure, I'd get help with Kane's stick figure.
Hey buddy, I'll kill you if you don't stop that! Nom, nom, nom. Very well. Nom, 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 nom.
Does anyone think beyond the surface of art?
Oh no! Yeah! Any last words, punk? I swear, nothing comes out of this guy's mouth. Except fire! Okay, did it. Wait. To defeat some of them. No. Sounds like it.
Your mission is to destroy the chosen.
Oh no! I'm gonna. Oh! Can't defeat me! Can't defeat me! Oh no! Stop. Solitaire, who's better than a solitaire? Wait, what? Huh? Seriously, you want to defeat me with cards? Yeah. Wait, little queen? I need to get out of here.
beat you.
You see what I did here? My sweetheart, what the heck is this? Huh? Huh? What? Huh? Okay.
That's right. Yeah, we're going boiling over here.
Oh no! Not again! Peekaboo! Now die! Oh no! You don't! No! Oh no! You better! I'm gonna defeat AOL's Why am I doing it? Together we gotta defeat Adam in his own game.
Solitaire, please.
Shall we destroy him and be friends? I'm in. Ready? Ready. Together we're stronger. Take this, Animator! Turn off the computer. No! You ready for the final blow? Oh, sure am. Oh no. Phew. My computer. Thanks to Adam Becker. I'm inspired by his videos.